filmed. It's not against the law of film.
I don't know, sometimes when
No, it's just silly. There's a sign saying no cameras. Wow, that's cool. Look at the bridge. Keep it going. That's that new bridge.
Wow, that's a nice bridge.
Wow. This is so cool. Look how beautiful that is.
Yeah.
There's the dam.
Damn. Let's see if I can go off the side like this.
Where you want to park? And
Yeah, well, there's some parking spots up there.
there's some right here too.
Let me just go like this.
Cars and terraces. You want to go in and take a look around and just, or do you want to go across the
No,
bridge?
I'd go a little bit further.
Okay.
I can always come back
Yeah.
afterwards and stop here if the other section is not good enough. How many years did it take them to build this town?
It's a really cool documentary on the History Channel. So
On
we can
it,
park
yeah.
there and walk over too. So afterwards we'll do that. But we'll drive across once anyway.
This is a long one, 2 minutes. It's 2